Okay, let us continue. Okay, can you tell me I'd like? Okay, let us have these pictures right here since I think you're out of your ideas already. So, can you look at the activities we have in here and tell me what would you like and what wouldn't you like? Like for example, to I'd like to draw. Mm-hmm. What about you?
I like to eat pineapple.
Okay, I'd like to eat pineapple. Now, what wouldn't you like? I wouldn't like what?
To have a class.
You don't like having a class?
Teacher, wait a bit. My mom said something.
Okay.
I have her. Này mà còn tắt bật máy lại tắt ngay đi bánh. Không, lại quéo quéo đây. Yes, more 10 more minutes. You're on mute.
Okay. So now, Lam, is that true, Lam, that you don't like to study?
Yeah, I'm not to study.
Oh, don't you like studying with me, Lam?
No, I like to study that one.
Oh, you like to study with me. So what do you mean when you say you don't like to study?
Oh, I
You
didn't
don't like
study. Like I didn't like study. I didn't
you
slay.
don't like to study where at school, or you don't like to study math? What don't you like? Or you don't like
At
learning with
school.
me? Oh, okay. Why? But you can see your friends there.
That's a bit something that I like. Sometimes I like, sometimes I didn't like.
Oh, okay. It depends on your mood. Okay, Lam. I hope you would love to study more because if you learn more, then you will be more smart. I mean, you are smart now, Lam, but you will become more intelligent. Okay, so now let us have this one. Okay, reading and writing. Like, for example, would you like to watch a DVD? Good idea. What about for one? What is the answer here? What's your favorite sport?
Animal.
No, not animal. Animal, Lam. What's your favorite sport, Lam?
My favorite. No,
Sport.
my
Is it
favorite
run,
sport.
to run, or running? No, we have here the picture. Can't you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me the answer? What's your favorite sport? A, B, or C?
Can you say for me the answer?
Why? But this is simple. You haven't tried answering it yet, Lam. Why are you asking me the answer? What's your
No, I
favorite
mean,
sport?
can you say it three that one too? Because I want to
Why?
know it too.
No. You can see my screen, so you will know the answer because you can read it yourself. Here. Are you doing something?
Okay. Now, let me try. Yeah. Hmm. I don't think I like of this one.
Can you try answering, Lam? Just try it.
I think I just enjoy running.
Okay, yes. What's your favorite sport? Running. That's correct. What about for two? Has May got a brother? Yes. Who?
Yes, I do.
Yes, he.
Yes, I do.
What? No, not yes, I do. We only say yes, I do if our question starts with do. Like, for example, do you like learning with me? Yes, I do. No, I don't. But our question here starts with has. Has May got a brother? Yes, she. Yes,
It's so
she.
hot.
No, it's not hard. I think you're doing something. That's why you think it's hard, Lam.
No.
Okay, so can you try now? Has May got a brother? Yes, he, he has,
Yes, she
he,
do.
or he's got. No, not he do. We don't even have do in the options, Lam. We only has, we only have has, he's, and he's got.
Okay, let me try. Yes, she has.
Yeah, see? You know the answer now. Okay, let us have three. Are you 12? No.
I
No, I.
isn't.
No, I isn't.
I'm not.
Okay, yes. No, I'm not, Lam, because we have here, are you? Okay, no, I'm not. Not no, I isn't. What about for four? Do you like blank? Is it swim, to swim, or swimming?
Swimming.
Okay, yes. Do you like swimming? No, I hate it. Now, let us have five. That's a good film. Okay.
Everyone, let's watch it.
Okay, yes, very good. Let's watch it. Now, what about first six?
Please sit down.
Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Good morning, Miss Taylor. Hello, class six. Please sit down. Very good. That is correct, Lam. See, you can actually do it. Now, let us try this one. For example, Paul and Ted are in my class. Our teacher is Mr. Wilson. Okay, let us just answer one. Peter, Peter, Peter
Uh,
like to go to the cinema. Do you blank to go to? What is the answer
cinema.
here? Yeah. Peter blank like to go to the cinema. Do you blank to go to?
Cinema.
Yes. What is the answer, Lam? Choose your answers from the word bank. What is your answer?
Can you say that again?
What is your answer? Okay.
My answer now.
Okay, so I think your attention is divided tonight, Lam. So we'll just continue this one next meeting, okay? So that's all it now. Thank you so much and goodbye, Lam.
Goodbye, teacher.